Look at her mouth. She's probably dead tired and dying for...
I don't think she can get out of there. Because the hole that's leading out from over there is way too small.
Well, how long do you reckon she's been under there?
The second set of boards right there.
Yeah.
There's some more of them up underneath over in there. Little babies.
Oh my gosh, she's probably almost dead, Harold.
Watch your feet.
Harold, if she comes out there fighting, she can grab you and do a world of hurt.
You're raising up right now.
Watch your feet,
Hold up,
Harold.
hold up.
Watch out.
She's edging up towards the edge there. You need to get out of the runway here.
I don't think she'll hurt to leave the babies, do you?
To protect them, she would. Yeah, but I mean...
Well, how's she going to take them with her?
They hang on to her.
Yeah.
Maybe she's hurt. Maybe some of them cats got her and she's laid up under there.
No, she ain't hurt.
I still don't see, I mean, like I say, how she's gotten...
No, I don't either. Food or nothing. Well, Sugar's been carrying on for about, I guess, over a week.
One of them big pellet guns. You just pump it up and...
She heard you, then her ears popped up.
Cops wouldn't run around. I'd go get a .22 and just shoot her. The babies I wouldn't worry about. They'll go off and do whatever.
I can't get hold of nobody. I've called animal humane societies. Nobody can't get
Or
hold of
she
nobody.
carry, you ought to believe how she does when you come after her. Go over and try
Opens
to...
up that mouth and shows them teeth.
I just leave
Stay
it alone
back
till
there.
tomorrow.
Stay back.
Because they're not going to get a hold of nobody. And I'd hate to see her kill the babies or something over a
She
few.
ain't gonna kill them.
Quit!
Harold.
All she did was trying to get her to come out of there. Shut up.
She ain't going to come out of there. She's
There's
too...
some more of them right in this row right here. Back up to the back.
More babies or...
Well, start at the backboard, and maybe if you're working around there and we all leave, maybe she'll...
She won't. She'll probably leave tonight. You know?
Well, you take Jeremy and leave, because...
There's cover over her, she won't.
That's what
I'm going to put this camera down on cord and leave. You get out of the way.
That's what some cats have been after.
I know. Steve, he blocked my view.
What are you trying to do, nothing else?
she's huddled up in the back. She's got them.
Can you start from the back and work this way?
Get back over there.
Yeah, but I'd hate
Now, you ought not leave that baby over there, buddy.
Adam's over in there with him. Julie's gonna have a cow and just find out how long he's been asleep.
Well, go wake him up. Now,
I'm
see
not
the
gonna do it.
possum.
That baby, he is cranky. He's wore out and he's tired. I didn't even make him go to sleep. I changed the diaper.
Stacy, turn around. She's ridiculous.
She's still in the same place.
Now the babies are moving.
Baby.
Boy, she's got that mouth. I believe she's hurt.
Where comes the baby?
No, she ain't hurt. She just ain't moving.
Nay, look at her mouth. How she's had to be under there. Oh my God, let me get out of here.
Give me the camera.
No, I'm moving and you're moving, and take Jeremy before he cuts
Jeremy,
his
get
foot
over.
on that aluminum. You better move, Melissa.
Huh?
You better move.
What?
No, they ain't going nowhere. Now there goes the babies.
Mom and the rest of them ain't moving.
Here it comes up here.
That's,
Is the front door of the garage closed?
Yeah.
Okay. There goes 3 more.
Lord have mercy.
They coming out? Come here! Give me the broom. I need your help.
I'm telling you, if I go in the house and you all go around that way and start from the back, she thinks nobody's here, she might go on up. Did they go up in trees?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many babies is gone now?
I've seen
See, that one seen you, and boy, he took out running.
what you trying to say.
I don't know. Come on, let's move. I started to say I'd let sugar out, but
No, you don't want to hurt me.
did she kill her? She's still under there. Where is she now?
And this one right here, yeah, back corner. There's still a bunch of babies here, some more babies over there.
Boy, they have a bunch, don't they?
Right
Get
there.
up here and help me. Yeah, you really look like it. You lucky I'm back here helping you all. I don't make this mess. Y'all leave the shit on your own. There's the kids in it. Unlock it.
Now, Harold, leave that lay there and then loosen another one and then take them both off at the same time.
Alright, she's sitting right almost underneath your feet. Right there where your football is.
There's got 3 holes
Put it
here.
on top of the table.
Not something like it was right there in the middle.
Lord, they look just like rats, don't they?
Yeah, they're still.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good night. Harold, you're going to get hurt.
Don't know what he's doing.
Harold, how's she doing?
Yeah, I think I put that right up there on her nose and she's doing better.
I bet you $1 she's hurt.
Either hurt or sick. You can see where they've been in this rat poison over here.
Oh, I bet that's what they did, Harold. We really ought to call the Board of Health. Now there goes that one. Where's she going? You reckon that's what's eating Pauline's stuff out of her garden? Not these possums. Not these possums, but
Black people, they come get them, eat them.
shh. Well, I say leave him there for the night and see if she gets him out. Where in the world will she go with him?
Let's go find her in the home somewhere.
Maybe
Or
she'll
they go out in the country with them.
maybe she'll go over across the street into
Not
Steve.
my house. I kill them if they over my house.
Well, have at it. She's good as dead anyway if she's been in that rat poison. See, that's mixed with cornmeal to entice them. So she probably did get in there. She's been stuck under there and ain't had nothing to eat.
She moved.
I wish I had something.
You got some rubbing alcohol? Pour it down around on the cracks and stuff. That'd get it moving.
You are heartless.
Well, I mean, that's just to get her out of here. I don't mean drown her or nothing, just sprinkle some out there.
Well, we could hose her down.
I thought about that, but that probably just piss her off. I'm all for not pissing them off as much as
Well,
possible.
yeah.
Give me a broom a second, Nicholas.
Hey, turn that thing off.
Now, what do you reckon that's going to do? Steve, you better watch your butt.
She likes that. Don't make her drunk.
She move it all?
Pour some gas and like try to find.
Harold.
Harold Tingle,
Well, she won't come out, and she's got to be sick. Steve said she probably gotten all that rat poison. See, we thought we had mice, and she probably has it, and all them babies is just, there's 8 of them.
Well, Mom, they have quite a few because a lot of them die.
Well, get with the dying. We got to get it done.
She called.
Who did? Who?
Julie.
She coming to get them or what?
Yeah, Steve there. I said, no, he's across the street tearing down the shed. Well, I didn't tell her the baby was asleep. Instead of risking the wrath
Like,
of God.
like Jeremy won't tell her.
Where's the mom at now?
Right over here underneath that alcohol. Brian, look at them.
There's the mama coming out now.
Look at the possum.
She's got her head out.
Yeah, she's got her head out.
She's over here, the big one.
She might have just had them babies.
No, they're too big.
She might come at us now. You better get back. She don't know what to do. I feel sorry for her.
That's right there. Underneath
I feel sorry for her too. All this beating and banging. What?
Y'all get back.
No, it's just their hair. It's wet.
But will they bite?
Yes, they'll bite.
Oh, shoot.
She just had them babies, didn't she?
No, they're about like this when they're born.
There she goes.
Get up back here, quick.
That's where those others was. Remember that great big one got up on that fence and died, Harold?
No. Where'd she go to?
Right up there on that fence. Going up,
Smell a possum.
going over the fence. Possum
there.
going over the fence row.
Hey, you!
I can't see her.
Well, I can't either now. She's done gone over the fence.
I'm sorry. You got.
Where are they? Grandma can't find them with the camera.
What are you doing?
Steve, you want to walk out here?
Trying to get them away.
She's here.
So?
There.
They're not coming away.
There goes that one.
Come here, baby. Sorry, don't do that.
Honey, you don't want to pet them. What do you got in your ears?
Earrings, new ones.
No, I'm dead. Look at me. Look how tired I am.
So?
I was lifting all them boards till we run into the possum.
I don't